English is fun! For today's lesson, we are going to study about synonyms. To give variety to our way of speaking and writing, ideas may be expressed in more ways than one. This can be done through the use of synonyms. Synonyms are words with nearly the same or similar meanings. For example, the word big, large, and huge are all synonyms to one another, meaning they are synonymous. So now, let's think of a word. Let's try to use the word good. Now, good can be used as an adjective and as a noun. So meaning, words are considered synonymous in one particular sense. So therefore, it is necessary for you first to identify what kind of word you are trying to analyze and understand. Let's look for the synonyms of the word good used as an adjective. Good, synonyms for giving. Good, synonyms for fine. Good, synonyms for real. Good, synonyms for virtuous. Good, synonyms for skilled. Good, synonyms for competent. And good, synonyms for righteous. Now, let's try to look for the synonyms of the word good used as a noun this time. Good, synonyms for virtue. Good, synonyms for righteousness. Good, synonyms for benefit. Good, synonyms for profit. And good, synonyms for gain. So to master, let's do more practice. This time, let's use the word report. Report used as a noun and report used as a verb. Let's look for the synonyms of the word report used as a verb. We have report, synonyms for tell. Report, synonyms for say. Report, synonyms for produce. Report, synonyms for present. And report, synonyms for give. Now, let's look for the synonyms of the word report as a noun. We have report, synonyms for announcement. Report, synonyms for description. Report, synonyms for details. Report, synonyms for information. This time, let's try to provide possible synonyms in the underlined word in a sentence. Our sentence is, "You are the most beautiful woman I have ever seen in my life." The underlined word is the word beautiful. Can you think of a possible synonyms for the word beautiful? Yes, you're right. Attractive. What else? Yes, pretty. Lovely, correct. What else? Stunning. Very good. So, beautiful is synonyms to attractive, pretty, lovely, and stunning. About our next sentence. My uncle is the most funny person in the family, and when we get all together, he always makes us laugh. The underlined word in the sentence is funny. Now, can you think of possible synonyms for the word funny? Correct. Amusing. And another word. Humorous. Correct. What else? Comic. Right. Laughable. Very good. Funny is synonyms to amusing, synonyms for humorous, synonyms for comic, and synonyms for laughable. Other important things about synonyms is substitution. The standard test for synonymy is substitution, meaning one word can be replaced by another in a sentence without changing its meaning. To make it more clearer, let's try it in this sentence. The stars were shiny and the planets were bright. The word shiny in the sentence can be substituted by the word bright without changing its meaning. So therefore, shiny is synonym to bright. So, try this in our next sentence. That truck with a noisy engine is very loud. The word that we need to substitute in this sentence is noisy. So what do you think is the word that we can use in this sentence? Yes, very good. It's loud. So here's for your own practice. Try to look for the synonyms of the underlined word in the sentence. Enjoy learning. Bye!